it. So click that until the red numbers are up at the top, or the higher number is up at the top. Okay.
For CPU.
What? No, I said network. Click network. Amy. Trying me now this time, woman. So click it until the high numbers are at the top.
Yes, done.
Yes. And what applications are running there?
Epics, OBS, and Google.
Okay, well that's fine. That should be normal then. There's nothing else downloading basically. What I was trying to find out there.
Is that it? Is that all you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
fuck's
that's
sake.
all I wanted to know was make sure that you're only downloading from there. You're not downloading on anything else as well.
It's on 95% now.
The whirly gig.
It's on 95% now after all that. Well, killed a bit of time then, didn't it? How do we play this? I can't remember the controls.
No, wait, guys, have you loaded into
I forgot.
because I'm ready now.
Oh, fuck off.
No, what do you mean, fuck off? I can go with something else if you want.
No, you've just done this now. You're not doing
Done
anything else
what?
now.
I'm loading in.
Okay, cool. We've only just gone into a game though.
Oh, back out.
We'll be dead after this anyway, I'm sure.
Pardon me.
How do I grab?
Wait, how do you
fuck
grab?
it. I'm
Left
fucking
trigger.
cracked at this game.
Right trigger,
Let's
right
go.
trigger. Oh, that was pure luck. I got over that. Okay.
I'm getting twatted by this fucking windmill.
Fucking windmill.
Oh god, I got hiccups.
Oh, got whacked by it.
I'm literally last.
Oh god.
Oh, I'm not anymore. That's good.
Oh god, no! I can't do stream setup tool because I don't have the video installed anymore because I accidentally deleted it off my PC. Because I'm an idiot.
Don't die, don't die. Ah!
I'm off. I'm dead.
Yep. It's totally not coming last.
Oh.
Push it somewhat off. Oh, I'm in. I succeeded.
I think we're out though. I don't think there's enough room for. There is when I do shit like that.
When does game get so tryhard? What the hell?
It's competitive, you know.
Competitive fool guys.
You got the
Yeah.
hiccups.
How did you
No.
delete it? Well, I was clearing up my PC and accidentally deleted it off my PC. Hee.
You've got
Amy, you're still
hiccups.
loading up the game. What are you on about? You're in.
Do you
We'll
guys
have
just want to go
hiccups.
back to lobby right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're out, aren't we? Yeah, we got disqualified.
Oh, fuck this and fuck this game. DBD?
Drink some water. Alcohol.
Let's just
Yeah.
downloaded it, bud.
I'm joking.
Water.
Fuck water. More beer. I've just got 3 pints to drink.
Oh dear.
I'm usually in my sad boy hours right now.
Sad boy hours? Do I even want to know? Oh my god, hiccups. Just checking varieties coming out. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, these hiccups are killing me.
Whenever I get this drunk, I'm either watching heavy metal or watching very sad videos.
I'm getting a bit too drunk.
A bit too
Hey, what?
drunk, mate. I'm sober.
I'm still in. Wait,
This is when
what?
I start sending nudes.
Pud,
I still
Jokes.
qualified. What?
Pud, quit. No, you didn't. You're spectating.
Oh, leave show. Is that what I need to play? Honestly, you're laughing. I've never played this game before.
I've qualified.
I thought
We're
I
in a
was in the
team.
game there.
If you've qualified, we've all qualified.
No, so you brought me down because I got
Yeah,
you.
I was last.
Noops,
bastard.
Noops, I was joking. Noops, I was joking. Just ignore me. I didn't say anything.
Oh,
You said something about nudes.
It's alright, I'm waiting for the Snapchats. Where are they, Amy?
Well, let me get
Well.
my dildo out.
It's alright. Oh, yes, let's go. The strap's
Which
on
colour
there.
would you like?
Pink, like mine.
We've already been through this, so isn't there a purple one?
Purple, pink coloured.
Yeah, we'll go
Skin
for the
colour.
purple, thanks.
I got
It's
2
alright.
flesh and 1 pink.
I somehow managed to send you a topless pic
Pud.
whilst I was drunk once, so...
What's really funny about buying dildos, right? Fun fact is when you go on the apps
Fun
and you
fact.
read all like the reviews of them.
Why have you
It's
got hiccups?
all straight couples and how much the guy likes it.
Oh.
Well.
Yeah.
I would know.
Like my boy,
There's no wrong
it's
with
like
that.
a review going. My boyfriend was really scared at first, but he really enjoyed this. It was just the right size, and you're like, ah!
That's not what I wanted for.
We are a lesbian
No wrong
couple.
with that, I'll tell you that for now.
Oh, that's great. When I paid my boyfriend last night, it was really good.
I wish.
And you're like, yeah, it's on.
Fairs.
I mean, I love it, me. Do
You
do
need to
what
get
you
yourself a
want.
prostate massager. That'll change your
God.
life.
Is that a thing?
Probably.
Like massage your balls or something.
It massages your prostate.
Amy, where are you at? Go online. Yeah,
I
you
don't
are.
know. Where am I?
There you go. I've sent you an invite.
But I do apologise, chat, for whatever we're talking about. How would you know? How would you know? Well, don't get me started. Right.
Amy,
I'm trying to just bear with me.
take the invite
Where's the invite?
on Steam.
Yeah, but I can't get onto Steam.
Oh God. What's your
Invite.
epic name?
SolaVenatrix.tv.
Is it? You sure? SolaVenatrix.tv. Is it dot or is it
no,
just
it's just 2GB.
Amy, sort out your hiccups. I've got 2 mutual friends. That must be you. I've sent you a friend request.
Okay, I
Please
accepted
accept
votes. I accepted votes.
Amy,
I accepted
Drink more.
it. No.
fuck's sake, waste with you.
Hold your breath.
Accept the invite
Yeah,
now
hold
as
your
well.
breath. That'll do it.
Oh God, no! You're gonna make her pass out on stream now. What are we meant to do now? Get the bread. The bread's not gonna help with this, cheese boy. Have you accepted the invite? You want to join us or not? Ah, God damn. Amy, are you accepting the invite? You can multitask. You can hold your breath and accept the invite. Trying. This is painful. So painful.
She'll get it one day.
One day. One day's not soon enough. Where did the invites pop up then? Is this what you're struggling with?
I don't know.
I've sent an invite again. Oh, there we go. You're in. Let's go. Everyone ready up, please.
Woo!
How'd you ready up?
Finally. Press A on your controller. Or press the button at the bottom right.
Oh my god. No game.
Why have you still got hiccups?
Someone needs to scare her.
It'll go, it'll go, it'll go.
You know what helps? Grab a paper towel and a glass of water. Drink it through the paper towel. It'll go away.
I choke.
Yeah, do it on stream so we can
I
watch.
was just said swallow the paper towel and joke.
No. Okay,
Die.
so you place the paper towel on top and you drink it through the
When I
paper
have
towel.
toilet roll, will that work?
No? It'll probably just end up back in your mouth.
Saucy. Sounds good.
Jesus.
Nice. Slightly. How do you play again? What are the buttons?
I'm not even the person to ask.
Shoot. What are the buttons?
I'm figuring it out for myself.
A, jump, right trigger to hold. And that's pretty much it.
I'm still no skin. Not fair enough, that worked out on my benefit.
I'm gonna say you bad at this game.
Yeah. I'm still
Oh
winning.
shit! Oh shit. Are we working as a team? Why is Ash muted?
I don't know.
Oh fuck, I'm
Why
getting...
am I
meant to
muted?
work
I've been
as a
talking
team?
to you guys. God damn it. That sucks. Yeah, we are a team.
Are you meant to work as a team? I don't know. I'm just fucking.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
good
us
in it,
four
mate.
are on a team.
Yeah.
I'm
I
like,
think so.
oh, I've been twatted. I'm just beelining it myself.
Wait, what?
Oh fuck, I fucked
I already made it.
I'm like so far
Squad
behind.
position
it's unreal.
second.
You guys got it.
I have not got it.
Come on, guys, you got this.
I'm dead.
How'd you
Come on, we're
dive
getting
again?
through. X.
X.
Oh.
I remember that.
You got this, you got this. Get up there. Get up there. Put. It's put.
Shut-
Amy. Wait, who am I watching now? It's Amy.
Okay.
Amy.
Go through the. Oh wait.
Hey,
you're in the-
twatted off.
Amy, you got this. You got this. Wait for it. Wait for the click up. No. Go.
Oh.
Go for the gap. Go for the gap.
I was making sure I didn't fall off. Let's go. I'm so good at this game.
For that windmill, the direction it's spinning is the place you want to go through.
Gotcha. I think we should have won.
Ah, can you jump and
We're
dive
through,
at the
we're
same
through.
time?
Yeah, we made
Top
it.
50%.
I've
Let's
got
go.
a trophy. Yeah.
Qualified. Let's go.
Qualify from your first round. I'm cracked. Bye bye. In a
Okay.
bit.
Oh my gosh.
It's Patrick Star, but it's
You
not
better get the
Patrick Star.
crown. Okay.
I say the
Noops is on
Patrick
it.
Star guy.
Crown.
Gonna get the crown, guys.
Come on. You get the crown, Amy.
Yeah.
No, with your hiccups. Just hold her breath again. We're doing a holding your breath contest. So you can hold their breath the longest. You're still hiccuping, I saw that. Saw the movement. Saw the bop.
If you listen
What?
closely, you can listen through it through her mic. You can hear the little gulps of.
Wait, portals, let's go.
Whoa!
Get the
I
fucking
don't know
star.
if they're
Get
safe or
in.
not.
Oh, I've got no fucking clue.
Do we gotta go through a certain one?
I don't know, I think some of them might be
Oh.
dangerous or something.
I think it just takes us back to. What?
Yeah, I
just go
think you go backwards.
Oh, I see.
This is kind of annoying.
Gotcha.
Oh, I'm going through the wrong one, I think. Oh, yeah, I was going through the wrong one. Damn, okay. So it's not that
Oh.
one. Which one is it then? Seeing people go through that one, I think it might be that one there. Oh, yeah, I went through that one. Let's
Whoa!
go.
I made it.
This is hard. Oh,
Yeah,
found it.
it's just pure luck at this point, honestly. Oh, no, I went backwards, damn it. It's the one on the right-hand side, guys, on the twirly one. It's the one on the right-hand side. The first one that you get to on the right-hand side.
Got it.
And then on the next
Gotcha.
one, there's a
We're currently
spin.
third.
Okay.
Spin dial. Which one is that?
Spin dial. I haven't
So the
figured
one
that
on the
out yet.
left. Looks like
Is
left.
it's second one on the left.
Left,
Everyone seems to
yeah.
be going through that one, yeah. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, after
Then-
that, it's then the second one on your left again.
Okay, yep, gone through that one as well.
Oh, I
Oh,
made
yeah,
it.
it's the finish line. Let's go.
We are
I'm
so
nowhere near the
good!
finish line.
We're better.
I like when you have.
Where, I'm on the spinny one. Where do I go?
Right hand side, right hand side.
Gabby, switch
Right
it.
hand.
There.
That's
That's
so
one.
mean.
Yeah, that one. Yeah, go. And then the next one is the second on the left, was it? We said?
What?
Second one you come to on the left.
No.
So... No, not that one, not that one. Go back.
Do you not
Go
like
back one.
listening to me?
To your left, that's it.
That one.
That one, yeah. You went past one before then. And
You
then
like-
your next one is
wait.
second
Big
on the
Mac.
left again. And it's the one straight diagonally in front of you to the left. That's it.
This one.
That one, yeah. That's it. That should be the finish now.
Alright, we're
Nice.
close.
Okay,
We're
I hope you're
first.
listening. I'm
Let's
so
go.
sorry.
What the? Yup, got that.
Are we first?
Oh. No. we're
Yeah.
second.
Oh no, we're second now. Never mind. We were first.
Who fucked it?
That's not bad though. This one was a little.
Nobody. It was just we were too slow. Well, Pud. Blame Pud.
Pud. Nobody.
Hold
Pud.
on. I'm taking none of this shite. It's my first fucking day on the game.
Shut up, you.
Should have kicked out all the people who didn't make it.
Get rid of you, boy.
What's that laugh, Pud?
That was my villain laugh. I'm a villain right now.
Sorry, Hiccups because we did it. Sorry, let's try that
Hiccups
again.
aren't letting you do anything.
You got. No words. No words.
That's
it's fine.
hilarious.
Let's go. We're
This
fine.
map is too
Okay,
much for my
qualify.
brain.
Please no. What?
Qualify.
Please
Top
no.
3. We've got to get top 3. Let's go.
Okay, Dad.
I've gone right. I've gone left. I mean.
I went left.
I don't think it matters too much.
Oh,
Ah, shit.
It's a bit of your slide. Oh, it is.
How do you slide?
you're quicker.
X.
X. Oh no, circle.
X for me.
Is it? Is that it?
On PlayStation, yeah.
I'm trying.
See.
Well, I don't have a circle on Xbox. I can't remember where the keys are for
Oh,
keys buttons are.
we are currently 30th out of 120. Or is that my roll?
That's your position.
What are you guys?
Oh no, that's points scored. We've got to score points. Sorry, we've got to score points through the rings. I didn't realise. We've got to score
scoring
points through the
points
rings.
for
We've got to get to
us,
120 points. Damn it. What? Sorry.
What?
I didn't hear it.
Excuse me?
Go through
Why
the gold
is
ones because they're more
moaning?
points.
Oh, I'm flying. Oh, I've hit the bar. That doesn't count, truly.
Well, the team's already finished.
We've got 92, 19, and 5.
Yeah, we're doing
Six.
good. No, no.
Yeah.
People beat us.
No! I blame Pud for moaning down the mic. Got me really
Yeah.
distracted.
I'll take that. Good excuse.
I reached terminal velocity, so I'll take that. I was just making noises.
Legit what you fucking sounded like.
Hey.
Alright, do we back out then? Sorry.
Oh yeah, sorry, we're back out. We have to quit because we didn't qualify for next round.
Is it me that fucked it for us?
Yeah,
Yes.
it was you. It was all your fault.
That's fine with me. I don't really give a fuck. I don't give 2 squirts of piss, to be fair.
You gave 2 squirts of something else though.
Huh?
Mid game as well. God.
Very inappropriate.
Oh, it was Noob's fault. Sorry, we've got to blame Noobs, Amy.
Oh, it's Snoop's fault. Gotcha.
Noobs is around, yeah, so it's his fault.
Oh, Noops. Yeah, of course it's Snoop's fault.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Always blame Noops. Let's go again. What should my undercolour be? Pink.
What should what?
What should my undercolour be? It was red before.
Undercolor for your hair.
Blue? No, lighting.
Oh. Thought you were getting an
Purple?
under dye.
Oh, you got the leads
Not
on.
yet. My lids. I got lids on. Right, I'll put pink. Fuck it, yellow.
Mine's up. To be fair, mine's always like
Are you still editing
Violet?
your character? We're loading in.
I think.
You aren't?
You laid what? Are you editing your character?
No, my lights under my face.
Oh, your lights.
My
I thought you were
lids.
editing your character. Your
No.
LEDs.
My lids.
LEDs.
I'm partial to a
Oh,
violet.
not this
LEDs.
one.
To be fair, I
Oh,
love
I'm not a
violet.
fan of this one.
Oh, I can't do this one.
Pud's not even going to qualify on this.
No.
Eh? Hold on. I bet I beat you.
No. Go on then. How much?
Go on.
Give me a gifted sub.
Game's
take it.
on.
Give me a
To be
gifted sub
fair-
if you don't win.
I feel like he's got Hunter's Lullaby on. That might affect
Why
me.
are you getting the gifted sub here?
Hunter's lullaby.
Hang on a minute. Why? What?
So simple.
How are you getting the gifted sub here?
Use the drums. I'm a drummer.
Baboodle.
This is my game.
You do the work, she
This is
gets
your
the
game, is it?
reward.
This is your
I
game.
know how to
is-
play drums. I can bounce drums.
I'm gonna
Oh,
say
fuck's
no
sake, I'm at the
excuses
back.
then.
Pudge, you
I'm
got
at
an
the front.
advantage. You're ahead of me. Yeah, you're ahead of me, Pudge. You got an advantage. I'd like to point out we are on a team as well, still, so we should be working together here. Get the job done.
Miss, I died. Who's mice going to shit?
No.
Oh fuck, I suck at this game.
This poor man doesn't know how to get up.
That would be me. Whereabouts are everyone?
I've got no idea.
Off to the left-hand side somewhere. I don't think I'm near the front though anymore. I messed up on one of mine.
I can't bounce. I've fallen down. Hold on. Nah, this isn't it for me. This is a warm-up.
No excuse.
This is like...
Give
This
the
is
subs to
nah,
me and Ash.
like when it said drums, I was like, alright, sound, and then this isn't the drums I'm
Nah, you
playing.
fucked.
I'm in.
The drums you're looking for.
No.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Whoop. No. Oh fuck me! I can't get up this one. Oh fuck!
Yeah,
You guys suck.
I'll fuck this one, like to be
Oh, this
fair.
guy's a TTV as well.
Let's go.
That's all in Ash. Where is Pooh?
Oh no, I messed up.
How the fuck do you...
Oh, how the fuck did you do this? How many bottles? Too many. Oh, I just dropped back down. Clearly too
Oh,
many
we're about
bottles.
to get disqualified at this rate.
What do you mean?
Alright,
We're
then we
ninth?
fucking shove it at me face.
Yeah, we're on. We've got a red exclamation mark though.
Oh,
We're not gonna get in.
I'm
You guys haven't made it
struggling,
yet?
Ash. The last thing I need is your fucking negativity in my face. It's hard, you know. Oh,
Yeah,
It
Guys,
is.
I can't
Guys!
do it. I need
Still
a win.
going. Okay, I made it.
where's
Qualified.
Ash?
Where's that purse now? Hey, still getting disqualified. Someone else qualify, please.
Come on, no!
But go right inside. Oh, never mind.
Oh, I fucked it.
Dang.
We're root, I think, maybe.
Ah,
yeah.
elimination.
I'm not having bottles. I'm just having vodka.
Amy, back out.
Okay.
I thought you were distracted. Put back out.
I have. I do see the potential in this game.
You see the potential.
What in your ability to complete it?
I'll never complete this game. But
Right, I'm gonna quickly wee. Bear with me, 2 seconds.
I'll take
I
that
will
as
drink
a-
some water. Don't
piss
worry. I've
break
been
as well,
drinking a
so I'm
little bit
dying
as I've
for
been
it.
going on. I've drank also already 2 liters today during work. So
Suffering
oh,
in
pardon me.
silence.
So I'm on a decent level. Don't worry. Can I drive? Fuck no. Hello. We ready enough? Guys?
Hello.
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 Are we ready enough?
Pooh went to go to the restroom as well.
Oh, fucking hell. Did I wee quicker than Put?
Yes, you did.
Oh, my dick's clearly bigger. Drive you around the bend, Ghost. Let's go. Will do. Where do you want me to take you? I'm getting my hair cut on Saturday. I'm getting a complete change to my hairstyle. Let's just see how it goes. Oh, pardon me. Excuse me, Ash. Why are you not talking to us?
Ash, you're
Hey
muted.
there, what's up?
Oh, hi.
I've been chatting to you guys the whole time.
Fuck's sake.
I wonder why everyone was a little bit quiet. Everyone was just like, oh yeah, just vibing, you know, just chilling.
What am I getting?
Is that
I'm getting
Iron Man skin in the
something,
Battle Pass?
basically,
No, I don't think so.
called a
SpongeBob,
barrage or a barrage or
themes.
something like that. And have you heard of a wolf cut? So, I'll show you a picture of the colour I'm getting.
Yeah, thank you.
Bear with me. So, I'm a natural blonde, so me dyeing my hair dark is not normal, so
Amy,
I'm
have you
going to
still
try
got
and get a bit
hiccups?
lighter. Yeah.
Fuck's sakes.
Do the thing I told you. I promise you it works.
So,
Well,
do you
drink
see
milk.
that?
Unexplained science, but it works.
It's like got like sort of lighter
Drink
highlights in it.
milk.
That's what I'm going to go for. And then
It works.
a wolf
Showing off
cut.
what she's gonna get her hair done as.
Mind your fucking goddamn business and ready the fuck up, you little fucking whore.
I have readied. We're waiting for Pud here, okay?
Wow. Sorry.
Bear with me.
Why are we bearing with you?
Shut up.
We are.
With-
To be fair, we are bearing with you, but you know.
With a wolf cut, which looks like that.
Here we go. We're just gonna.
I've
I'm
just
gonna get a wolf
asked.
cut, I'm gonna get brown hair. I'm gonna look like all that dish, and then I'm gonna hate it because it doesn't work.
I apologise for taking so long.
Why do you reckon it's
Yeah.
not going to work?
No, it's you that said it wasn't gonna work. I said it.
No,
looked
I
great.
said it would. I said I want to ask the hairdressers.
Oh, okay, fine then. It's all good. It's
Oh,
gonna be
this is
fine.
trim next week.
The trim. Just getting the trim, you know. Just
Shorty
the
back
trim.
and naughty.
Oh my god, shut up you.
Oh,
Shut up you. I hope it looks
Never
good.
heard of the shorty back and naughty?
If I don't stream with a cam on for like
I
the next
actually haven't.
sort of 4
Explain.
months, you'll know why.
It's
I
just
think
a quick
we
two
know.
back and sides and short on
But I
top.
think
Oh,
getting like the
that's the staple
highlights will
comedy
look
drum
nice.
cut that.
It's a wolf cut I'm worried about, but
I'm not in the
hopefully it'll
game.
look good.
are you not?
We pray.
No, it says matchmaking cancelled. Someone
Oh shit.
said
Oh.
did something. Yeah.
Oh,
It says
loading
I'm
in.
waiting for players. To be fair,
Same here.
Yes, him.
I'll back out.
Tree top tumble.
How do we
back
back out? Oh, I'm loading in.
Just
Are we-
quit.
Are
Press
we all
B.
DCing?
Press B and A.
BA.
Yeah.
Got it.
British Airways. Full
Noob
dive,
thinks it'll look
rocket
great on me,
dives.
so you're a little hater.
I already said it would look great. You were the one who was going, I'm not sure if it's going to look great. I'm not sure if it's going to look good.
I said I didn't know.
Yeah, exactly.
We shall see.
You and your little bitch ass face.
I'm so sad I only have tomorrow off work and then I'm back on work again.
That is sad.
Thanks.
Make the most. Well, today. In fact, you've got today off.
I haven't got today. Well, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah. it's
Working
today.
Monday to Saturday to then having Sunday off and then working Monday to
Monday
Friday.
to Friday.
Jesus. That's like
But then I worked a
that was
7-day
last
week.
week for me. That's what I did.
I worked a 7-day week last week. So I literally worked Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So 7 days. Then had Saturday, Sunday off. Then worked Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday off. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Nightmare.
Good fun.
And then
Oh,
all
that's
like
not
the so my head of my department today, I was working with her, and I explained basically what happened, and she was like, "What, really?" And I was like, "Yeah, I've been working a lot," and she was like, "Shit, that shouldn't be a thing," and I was like, "You're fucking telling me?" Here we are.
Oh,
here
for
we
fuck's
are.
sake,
Oh my god,
man.
I got hit with a fucking.
You got hit by a planet, did you?
I got hit by an ash thing.
An ash?
Yeah, it
What,
reminds
me?
me of you.
Weren't me.
Planet things.
Planet thing.
Oh, I got booped off fucking edge. I got my ass slapped off.
Oh,
I did not consent. Right, sorry, bear with me. I'm taking this seriously.
Are you?
Yeah. I'm taking it.
I'm being twatted by some fucking. Oh, I've had enough.
I'm taking it seriously. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh
I'm
my
in.
god, oh my god.
Nice.
Ah. Wah.
I'm in.
I'm trying
Just
my
go.
damned hardest.
We've got to be in surely. That's a qualification right there. We're in second right now as a squad.
Yeah, once you guys finish, we'll probably secure second.
Go right, turn right. Wait for there. You want to go through there? Well, actually, oh, never mind. Yeah.
Just
wait
press
for
a.
that.
Can't you just press a button?
Can you press the button? Can go straight through? I don't know. Can you press the button? Put the
I'm
button
up
behind you
top.
on the floor. Press that.
Press it.
There you go.
Yes.
Go
You
through
might have
there.
seen a SpongeBob, to be fair.
There you go, and through there, and then.
Come on, Pud.
Can you jump
Just
over
jump
the
off.
edge there? Jump over the edge. That's it. You can get over that.
Oh.
Can you not?
No,
I guess
don't
not.
think it will.
Oh, you have to go through. You have to go through the
Pud,
middle then, behind you.
go through. Oh,
The middle. The
Oh,
middle behind you.
he's
Behind you.
oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did we make it?
It's like
Oh,
I'm
we
so
made
good at
it.
this
We
game.
qualify even though Pud didn't.
It's like I'm so good at this
Fucking
game.
shouting. Oh god, oh god. I did my best.
We are carrying you right now.
Doing his best.
Oh god. Let it be a nice
I'll do
one,
better next game,
please.
swear to God.
Ace Africa.
Let it be a
Right,
nice one.
700 follower goal by the end of Jan.
By the end of next week.
I said at the end of this week, and
Stream Monday.
I literally am on 0 followers
How
today.
did she?
I got none. I got
You
no
gained one.
followers today.
From yesterday's stream. I'm
Yeah, but I
asking for a
lost
nice
one.
What's this one? Hyperdrive Heroes. What's this?
There's 2 SpongeBobs.
Oh, I got
Board
the
falling
Ross
off the
SpongeBob.
hoverboard and reach the
I want
finish
to be
line.
what's the little guy from SpongeBob that's a villain?
Plankton.
Plankton. That's one.
Squidward. Oh, Plankton,
I
yeah.
wanna be
Squidward.
Plankton. Squidward.
Squidward's a top G. Squidward's a
Yes.
fuck.
How do I do this? I've never done this before.
Oh, I fell. Oh no! Don't fall
No,
off,
you-
guys. Don't
you
fall
stay
off.
on-
You're
you
permanently dead.
I'm dead.
You stay on the
Oh, you stay on the
hoverboard.
platform. I thought it was like an obstacle course thing. Oh, as if. I didn't realise. I just legged it straight off. Fuck's sakes. Oh no. Amy,
No!
Oh!
Done.
no. Hunter's still on.
Alright.
Hunter's bossing it right now. It's fine. He'll carry us to
No
victory,
pressure,
right?
Hunter. No pressure, Hunter.
Just
no
push everyone else off, okay?
No pressure.
No wonder
I
this
know,
game's
jinxed it. Oh, you
dead,
said
it's
I'm so
fucking
good.
shit.
You literally jinxed it. Why'd you be like this? Why
Oh,
you be
God, no,
like this,
can't
Noob?
say-
Noob's just a bad luck. It's confirmed.
Ah, I made
Oh, what?
Oh.
You're on.
Who's left
I'll
on then
blame
for
you
us?
for that.
Nobody.
Oh, I'll
think
get
we're
out.
dead. Yeah, back out. Leave show. Quit.
Leave show. You are the villain, Noobs. Thank you for realising.
I knew you was going to do that. Well, why didn't you warn me? God damn it. Fuck's sakes. I saw the thing and I was like, yeah, I'm starting first.
Whoever said
Let's go.
that in your stream is a fake ass friend. Oh, of
It's
course,
Cheese
it's fucking Cheese Boy.
Yeah. Cheese Boy's out here going, I knew he was going to do
Of
that.
course, it's
To be fair, after I
Cheese
did-
Boy.
After I did it, I was like, I knew I was going to do that. Whenever it comes to games like that, where you have to actually do something like, I don't know, somewhat skillful in terms of just not moving, I end up like running and jumping off because I'm like, I can make it.
Such a Cheese Boy thing to say. Right, ready up, Pud.
Did?
He's customizing, he is.
No, it's customized. I was changing. I changed my colour and put a belt on. That's
You don't
all I
want to be a
did.
basic bitch.
Hardcore customization there.
I would have said it and you would have done it. No, I wouldn't have. What do you mean it wouldn't matter? Cheese boy, I would have listened, right? If you told me not to jump off because that's not the objective of the game, I would have listened.
Cheese boy, we both know that Ash does not listen to you. We know from playing Apex with him.
Yeah, because Cheese boy follows me and listens to me. So I don't need to listen to him and follow him.
Cheese boy, would you not think that we get more dubs when we play Apex together if Ash listened more?
Mate, right, Cheese boy, you know how many dubs me and you get in duos compared to me and Amy get in duos?
Then what do you think the common denominator is? Because it ain't fucking you, mate.
It's you!
Yeah, no, I didn't say it wasn't me.
Well, what do you mean? What's the common
It
denominator?
basically
then?
means that Cheese boy carries you.
Oh, we're saying the Cheese boy's the winner.
Yeah.
Then. Fair enough. I'll say that.
Thank you very much.
Ah, this one again.
Oh,
I'm not a
shit.
big fan of this one. Go
Oh,
left.
okay, I made it. Through
Left,
the
left.
yeah, very
Right,
far left.
one.
And then it's
Right one, question mark?
Very
No.
far. First one to the left.
first one to the left. Okay. Yep.
Thank you. Then where is it on the spinny one?
Third one, I think it is, to the left.
Third one.
Oh, I got it. Looked
I
like
get
my first one to the left. Not gonna lie.
Oh, I don't think I got it. I think I went wrong.
I think it's first one to the right after that one.
Oh, and then it is first one to the right, yeah. No, second one to the right.
Oh, no,
Mate,
got the
I don't know
wrong
where
one
I
again.
am. I'm just getting them. I don't even know how. We're currently third.
I'm
Did
on
I
the
go
spinny
back?
one. Where's the spinny one? Say something on the
Oh, but I
right.
didn't go back.
I think so. Second one to the right.
Oh, I'm on the spinny one again. Damn it. I'm on
I got the
spinny
balls.
arm
I don't know where to go
Balls
after
are
the
straight
balls.
ahead. Balls are straight ahead.
Is it?
Where's the big door spinny one? Which one's that? First one on the right, you say?
To the second one to the right. I think.
Okay, well, whichever one I went on was the right one. And the balls, which one? Straight ahead, you say?
Yep.
Okay.
I think so. There's
We're in
loads.
8th place, goddammit.
Which one for the wall spin?
It's not straight ahead.
They're not.
It's not that one. It's not the first one to the right. Hunter.
Am I thinking that I'm
Okay.
getting through and I'm getting...
You're getting taken
down?
back. I think you are. I think you're behind us, Amy.
I'm on a spinny one. Where am I?
Left. First on the
Huh.
left, is it? No, it's not
I'm on
first
back
left.
on the spinny
Where
one.
the fuck am I? I don't know where I am.
I'm not back on this. I'm on a new spinny one. Am I? No, I'm not.
Oh. I don't
Am
know
I
where
back
I'm at.
I think I'm back at the very beginning.
I'm lost in this
I don't
point.
know
My
where
brain-
I am. I thought I was
Get
progressing.
me out of here.
I thought I was progressing. Who's in front of us then? Who's not?
You're in front of me, Ash.
Somehow made it all the way back to the beginning.
So did I. I thought...
Same.
Eliminated.
I was
What?
at the beginning. I was.
This
going
game
backwards
makes
the
no
whole time.
sense.
I was back at the beginning as well. Right, guys, get out of here. Don't matter. Whatever.
Oh
fuck
my
off.
god. That's it.
I think I made it all the way down to the ball one, and then made it all the way back up to the top, and then make it all the way back down to the ball one again.
I think there's me going, yes, I'm making it. Oh, nonsense.
I know,
That's
then
so
you were like,
sad.
Amy, I think you think you're making it, but I think we were all in the same fucking boat where we thought we were making it.
Just
and we
going
weren't.
backwards.
Oh my god.
That was so painful.
I hate
was
that
very
one. Why'd they
painful.
add it?
Yeah. Oh my god. That's pure luck, isn't it? Or comms. You've got to have good
No
comms.
idea.
Oh, fuck's sakes.
I kept hearing first one to the right, second one to the left. I got confused on which one was which.
When you get to the balls, just go straight on. Oh no. Okay, it's fine.
It all went so horrible.
It really did.
Ooh.
Who's oohing?
Who was oohing?
That was Ash.
That was not.
Mm,
Pud, that was you.
Excuse
What are
me?
you doing, Pud? Pud's out here with the oohs, dropping oohs.
I can be
here.
quite seductive.
Sure thing, my love. Alright, alright.
Oh god.
Oh no.
What is going on?
Nani?
Oh shit. Let's go! Whee!
Let's go.
Guys, we need to be first this time.
Qualify to score points.
No excuses.
I keep forgetting to slide. I mean, not rude. No. I mean, bouncing.
Just think about the amount of kids that we're playing against on here. They're like from America.
Yeah. They're probably just laughing at us, going, "Oh, look at these guys, they're so cute."
Ah, fuck the fucking kids, man. Bollocks to them.
What? No, you're not meant to fuck the kids. That's
That
really
is
wrong.
literally not what I said.
You said fuck the kids.
We're not getting involved in this convo.
Nah,
Nonce behaviour there, Hood. Nonce behaviour. Come on now.
that's not my words. You're taking the words right out of my mouth there.
Yeah, I was.
Taking the words out of my mouth and spinning them.
I feel like I'm playing Mario Kart.
Yeah, it's got the Mario Kart vibes right now.
Like Rainbow Road, let's fucking go!
Oh, okay. Good finish,
Okay.
I think.
Goes into
Me
the
too.
hole. Question mark?
Sixth. Okay, it's just you two.
I've already gone it. I've done it.
Oh, you've done as well. Pud, come on.
Why
Pud,
do you
Pud,
not
Pud,
have
Pud, get
an
in there.
ooh
Oh,
or
we're in eighth.
Nah.
We're on the edge.
redeem?
We're
So I
right on the
can't
edge.
do
Oh
it
my gosh.
properly.
Please
I can't,
stay, please
my
stay.
accent
We're on
can't do
82
it.
points. Ninth is on 71.
I would if I knew I could do it right.
Let's
Like, it's
go, we
hard.
qualified.
Like, how do you even
Last
do it?
place, we qualified.
Wait, what do you mean wait? Ash, how do you uwu and ara ara? I can't.
What do you mean, how do I?
Yeah, do it. How
You've
does
seen
it
plenty
done?
of porn. He knows how to
How's
do
it done?
Porn?
You want me to uwu and ara
Yeah.
then?
Done it perfectly. That was not it perfectly. Oh, I can't do it. I get nervous, me. I get stage
I do an
fright.
uwu, but I can't do an ara ara. I don't know what that
You
is.
just got to go really high pitched, Amy, on the uwu.
Really high pitch.
Yeah. Get
I
to
don't know if I can
yeah,
do high
at the
pitch.
end of the last ooh, you've got to go very high pitched and then like fade it
Ew.
out with your breath.
Ew.
Ew.
Do you want moaning? Why moaning? Do you supposed to moan?
Yeah, give it a moan as well.
No,
Sometimes it
no,
helps.
it's
Yeah,
cringy
you got to
that.
fade it out. You got the fade. Yeah,
Fade it out.
you go high with the last ooh
Gotta
and
have
then
some
fade
fade
it
to it, you
out.
know. Maybe add a bit of
No, I
reverb
can't.
onto the last W, you know.
I need to concentrate on this game. I'll have a think about it after.
Oh god, here we go. I'm just gonna concentrate.
Where's that?
Gotta concentrate.
Where's
I've
all
got to
these
win this
plums
the
come
game.
from?
The peaches, mate.
Don't like some plums, do you?
Wait, are these
Oh,
mangoes? That's what they are.
I'm nailing this.
Watermelons.
What?
Oh no.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. Second
I'm
about
just-
Watermelons in my
watermelon.
face.
I love some watermelons in my face.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Same.
well.
Ow.
well.
oh, ow.
Oh fuck.
Oh, I got hit by a strawberry. Not right at the top. Please, not right at the top. That is so... Oh my god, that was so close.
Whoop. Oh no! I jumped into the roll. No! Run!
Go, go, go.
Run! Oh, jump! Run!
Oh!
Oh.
Are we through? Are we
Anyway.
through? Well,
be
no,
twatted by
it's
your
qualified.
watermelon.
Ew!
Why is it not going?
It's not soft enough, is it?
Pud.
Pud's
Pud,
better,
you
right?
led the team down now, Pud.
Pud, ooh, while you do it.
Yeah, I've been twatted about
Ew,
6
while you make
watermelons.
it.
Ew, while you go over the edge. Oh my god, Pud, you're the new Uwu.
I'm pretty
I like
good.
it.
I've seen plenty. I've had plenty of practice.
Have you been watching? You mentioned
seen-
porn in it. Yeah, he has
I've watched
practiced.
plenty. I've had plenty of research.